Greetings, Alicia here, and just wanted to check in because I've been thinking and processing and feeling all that is going on. It reminds me of a Dickens quote: it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. And as I've been processing that, I've been thinking and dreaming a new world. Because check this out. What if in our post-coronavirus new world, what if in that world radical love and humanitarianism and social justice goes viral and essential workers remain our celebrities? What if? What if in the new world your boss is just as confident that you are working at home as you are in the office? What if? What if in the new norm you go to a concert and are present live in the moment versus peering through your cell phone going live in the moment? Just what if? What if in the new norm we are more concerned with parents being separated at the border from their children than we are with the latest Kardashian tweet? What if? What if in the new norm we see families and parents and children sitting around at the restaurant looking at them versus peering down into each one's respective cell phones? What if? What if in the new norm our friends feel our love because we check on them? Who have you checked on during this period that you hadn't checked on in a while? What if that becomes a new norm? What if in the new norm we continue to cut emissions and to give our world and earth a break so we can breathe? What if? What if in the new norm everyone who needs to see a doctor can see a doctor? What if? What if in the new norm we realize that we are not our brother and our sister's keeper, that we are our brother and our sisters? What if COVID has come to recommit us to loving each other, to noticing each other? What if it's come to recommit us to our planet and to the legacy that we want to leave? Just what if? Dream a new world, y'all. Now is the time. What if?